Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good at your home. As you know, today we have a class of math. So we will learn a new concept today, that is about the hundreds. You have learned in previous class about ones and tens. Today we will learn about hundreds. In this picture you can see that there is a bar of green color that has 100 blocks, that will be called 100. If there will be two bars of 100 blocks, then there will be 200, but there is only one bar. So in the next you can see that there are two bars of three green color. One bar contains 10 blocks. One bar contains 10 blocks, it will be 1/10, but there are two bars of 10 blocks, so it will be 2/10. In the red color there are separate blocks that are called ones or units. So we can say that there are 100, 2/10 and 8 ones. We can write it as 128. In this picture we have the number 314. In hundreds it will be always of three digits. The number with three digits will always be of hundreds, and the left third digit will always be of 100. In this, 3 is in the hundreds place. It is in the left, it is the left third digit, that is 314. 4 is in the ones place, 1 is in the tens place, and 3 is in the 100 place. So there we have 300, 1 tens and 4 ones. We can write it as 314. Another number we have is 369. 369 we will write as 3 as 300, 300, 6 tens as 60, 60, and 9 ones as 9, because 9 is below than 10, so it will come as 9. So to write the number we will cut the 0. We will only take 3 of 300, 6 of 60, and 9 will be as it is. It will be 369. We will cut the 0 of 60 and 9. We will put 9 in the place of 0 and 6 in the place of 0 of 3. We will take 3, 6 and 9. It will become 369. As you can see that 3 is in the left third digit, that is 100. So in the 100 number will always be of three digits. In this picture there are three numbers, three digits of one number, 1406, that is 406. 4 is in the place of 100, 0 is in the place of tens, and 6 is in the place of ones. We will take 4 of 100. As you can see that 0 has no value, 0 has no number, nothing, 0 means nothing. So 4 is 100, 0 is empty, there is no tens. यहाँ पे tens कोई भी नहीं है, because it is written 0. 4 आपके पास 100 है, tens आपके पास कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 0 है. So 6 we have as ones. We can write as 406. 406 or 406. Now in the next there is an example for you to find the smallest number. In the part 1 you have 5 numbers with 3 digits, that means it is of hundreds. So 413, 489, 236, 339, 261. First of all you will compare the place of the hundreds. In the hundreds the smallest number is, place of hundreds, the smallest number is 2. There are two numbers with 3 digits with starting from 200. यहाँ दो numbers हैं जो 2 से start हो रहे हैं, जो 100 की प्लेस पे नंबर वो है 236 एंड 261. 236 एंड 261 जो है वो सेम नंबर से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. देन यू विल सी द प्लेस ऑफ टेंस. आपने टेंस का पार्ट देखना है कि कौन सा स्मॉलर है. एज यू कैन सी दैट 3 इज स्मॉलर देन 6. सो यहाँ यू कैन कंक्लूड दैट 236 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट अमंग दीज 5 numbers. So we will move to your work summer pack now. You have to take out your summer pack and you will take out this worksheet. You have to solve it. Number one, they are saying that match these numbers to the correct answers. एक साइड पे उन्होंने आपको हंड्रेड्स वाले डिजिट्स नंबर्स दिए हैं और एक साइड पे आपको they have given you spellings. You have to match them. First one is done for you, 736. They have done for you. Number one, two is 813. You have to find where it is written 813. The one first one is written 813. You will match it like this. Rest of these them you will do by yourself. These are very easy. Number two is circle the smallest number in each line. The first one is done for you. In A part they have done for you 6. You will compare the 100 places. You will compare the place of 100, 6, 1 and 5. As you can see that 1 is the smallest among these three in the place of 100. So it is as simple. You will circle 147 because 147 सबसे smallest है. In part B, 348, 109 and 190. You can see that 1 is in the place of 100. 1 is smaller than 3. Now there are two numbers starting from 100. फिर आपने किसको कंपेयर करना है, टेंथ प्लेस को. 0 इज़ बिलो देन 9. 0 जो है 9 से छोटा है. सो ऑटोमेटिकली 109 विल बी smallest than among these three numbers. Now we will move to another page of your summer pack. You will skip 2 pages and then there will be a worksheet of with mental math. You have to solve this. There is a table given you with different numbers of hundreds and questions are given below. You have to solve them. Number 1 is done for you. A number between 100 and 150. एक नंबर जो 100 से ज़्यादा है but 150 से कम है. What it is? You have to find from the table. You have to write 127 जो है वो 100 से ज़्यादा है and 150 से कम है. Then a number between 900 and 1000. एक नंबर जो 900 से ज़्यादा है लेकिन 1000 से कम है. You will find that 951 will come here. A number smaller than 100. You have to find एक नंबर जो 100 से कम है. It is very simple. जो 100 वाला नहीं है. So it will be 95. A number between 300 and 400. एक नंबर जो 300 और 400 से के मिड में है. दैट इज़ 328. 300 से तो ज़्यादा है लेकिन 400 से कम है. अ नंबर दैट हैज़ 6 टेंस. एक नंबर जो इसके अंदर 6 टेंस हैं. आपने टेंस वाली प्लेस देखनी है. आई कैन सी 162 एज इट्स आंसर. The rest of them you will do by yourself. If you will do by yourself, you will learn easily. So this is your work for this week. You have to do by yourself and do by your heart. So I hope you can do this. So thank you and Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourselves.